You are going to love the 2023 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.